Hello guys, so today's video is gonna be about tips and tricks in Microsoft Word. Okay, I hope you enjoy. This is gonna be about the fonts, the paragraph, and also the margin. Okay, right. First, let's just imagine this is your Word file, and you actually have a bunch of different words in there. Okay, so this is your essay, perhaps. So take a general look. It's quite hard to read, isn't it? Okay, so first things first, Control A, okay, where you select all. Remember, you need to have a uniform font. Okay, so choose one font. For me personally, I like Times New Roman, so I'm going to use that. Okay, and the font is 12. Okay, now look at that. It still looks it's okay, but there's something not quite right with it. Again, Control A, select all, and you have to justify it. Okay, here you see that it's so jagged. Okay, use justified. Okay, and you have something like that. It's a straight line now, so it's so easy to read and it's much more standardized. Okay, um, second thing is your paragraph. Okay, the spacing, you can change that easily actually. So I hope you guys already know about this, but I'm just going to show it anyway. The easiest one is here. You just choose 2, okay, and that will translate into all of your documents, provided that you selected all, okay. But another option is you can also use here, paragraph settings, okay. Do the line spacing here with double, okay, and you have to look at this, okay, because in your thesis and even in your proposal, okay, the actual formatting is that you need to have an extra space in between two paragraphs, okay. So the easiest way to do this, okay, to make it uniform across, is to change this. So what this means is in the specific paragraph, if you change this, it's going to mean that you want an extra space before that paragraph, and after means after that paragraph. Okay, so just put in 24. Why 24? Because if you have 12-point font, 24 would mean that you already tell words you need 2 spacing after the paragraph. Okay, so put 24 and you're going to have something like this, right? So, of course, it doesn't seem like it changes because I've already did this before, okay? But if you try it on your own, you're going to notice that it's going to add this spacing. So now you no longer need to enter after each paragraph, okay? It's so much easier. Now, for the margin, okay, if you guys remember, look at the format as well. Okay, you can actually change that, right? And how you do that is on your layout. Okay, go to margins. Okay, and actually you can customize the margin. Okay, here it's already in cm. Okay, so remember the left side should be 40 mm, so that is 4 cm. Okay, and everywhere else is 25 mm, or if you go with cm is 2.5. Okay, right, and make sure you apply to the whole document and select OK. Now it's done. So you have a your document, okay, is already uniform in terms of margin, okay, in terms of the paragraph, the font, the size, the spacing, and that is the first step. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. Okay, I do have more tricks in terms of talking about your subtopics and stuff, so it's gonna be quite interesting. Okay, so stay tuned and see you later. Bye.